kubhaliswa abafundi abazokwenza amabanga uGrade 1 noGrade 8 eGauteng namhlanje. Lolu hlelo ke lujwayele ukubhekana nezingqinamba abazali bengakwazi ukutholela izingane zabo ikhala. Ukuzwa kabanzi ngalolu daba semukela lapha eindabeni intatheli yezemfundo eSABC uMahlaku Komane. Mahlaku sikwamukele eindabeni zasemini. Singasho yini sithi hayi luhamba kahle uhlelo sokulokuqala?
Nkolo yazi namhlanje siye sathi masifika lapha ekseni eMhlakeng bebayenza eMhlakeng le ngase Randfontein siye siyabona ukuthi kuke kwaba nenkinga isystem abazali bebathi mabangena kule online system bebahluleka ukuthi bathole le ikolo lezi bamele bazikhethe ukuthi abafuna ukuthi abantwana babo baye kuzo kwaba naleyo nkinga leyo kuye kwathi mase kushaya abon 10 kwaba ngathi bayayicazulula leyo nkinga leyo ukuthi ama maps bewangaveli ukuthi abazali bakhona ukuthi bakhethe lezo ikolo lezo siye sathi masihamba ngabo 11 bebathe babhalise ama applications ay over 100,000 and then abazali specifically bebayi over 50,000 abazali abebaye bakhona ukuthi bangene kulesi system by access le system bathole nalama SMS ukubonisa ukuthi ngempela babhalile mara sesathi masilapho sakhuluma ne spokesperson se department ubaba Steve Mabona ethi simzwe kancane ukuthi uye wathi makasichazulela ukuthi kwenzakaleni ekseni uthini.
Indicate that it's not first come first serve. The criteria is quite clear, and the 5-kilometer radius, it's done. That one was done away. When we introduced feeder zones, we were saying we are doing away with 5-kilometer radius because a feeder zone of a school, it's broadened by size to say in this township, in this suburb, how many households are we in a position to accommodate. Then a feeder zone will then be about how many households that the school can accommodate. So when they say home within feeder zone, it means all those homes that are within that feeder zone of a school, which has been approved by a school. If you remember, when we were doing the feeder zone process, we gave the process to the school to say, give us your area that you can cover in terms of a feeder zone. It was approved by SGBs, they brought to us. So you work within that.
Ithi mhlambe nonkolo ngichaze kancane lapho ukuthi bekakhuluma ngani bekakhuluma siyazi ukuthi yonke leminyaka masithi siyabheka lenkinga abazali bala eGauteng ababhekene nayo lenkinga yokuthi umntwana wami uqualifya kanjani ukuthi angathola ispace or indawo kulesikolo bekachaza ukuthi into abayibhekayo ukuthi uhlala kude kangakanani nesikolo so mangabe uhlala 100 meters bazocala ngawe ohlala duze baye kanjalo ukuthi baze bafike la isikolo sigcwala khona so the closer uhlala esikolweni ama chances wakho ukuthi umntwana athola ispace lapho kusebenza kanjalo so akuseseleso ukuthi sheshe uapply ngamasimu ukuthi umntwana ukuthi akhona ukuthi athole isikolo sesaphinda futhi sakhuluma nabazali ngoba abanye masibana lezo inkinga lezi sasekuseni abanye bacomplain ukuthi bahlala isikhathi esini abanye bathi bayajabula bayabonga ukuthi i-department yakhona ukuthi ifike lapha izobancedisa ngoba inkinga ye-data siyazi sonke manje ukuthi izinto ziyabiza sithe ukuthi zibize nyana kancane so thi sizwa labazali ukuthi bona bayithuba uthole kanjani losuku loku apply.
To get sick, I'm starting to feel dizzy, but they are still helping me to find some school.
We are satisfied. Arbona batho bana re khotsofetse abatli ba tlo thusa from the side.
Sibonge kuMahlaku Komane oyintatheli exoshela izindaba zemfundo la eSABC besikhuluma naye ngohlelo lokubhalisa abafundi baka Grade 1 noGrade 8 oliqale namhlanje. Sibonge Mahlaku.